Since the time of Homer, ancient stories tell of fierce warriors dwelling beyond the Mediterranean world, striking fear into the mightiest empires of antiquity. Their exploits were recounted by many epic poets. They fought in the legendary Trojan War, and their grand army invaded Athens. Jason and the Argonauts passed by their shores, barely avoiding their deadly arrows. These formidable fighters faced off against the greatest champions of myth, Heracles, Theseus, and Achilles, and every single one of these warriors was a woman. The war-loving Amazons, quote-unquote the equals of men in courage and skill, were familiar to everyone in ancient Greece. Amazon battle scenes decorated the Parthenon on the Athenian Acropolis. Paintings and statues of Amazons adorned temples and public spaces. Little girls played with Amazon dolls, and Amazons were a favorite subject on Greek vase paintings. In Greek art and literature, they were depicted as daring and desirable, but also terrifying and deadly, and doomed to die at the hands of Greek heroes.